Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you laptop how to fix black screen. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix a black screen on your laptop, the first thing that you need to do is check power and display. Make sure the laptop is turned on and battery is charged. Connect to your external monitor via HDMI and VGA to check if display works. If external monitor works, then issue is with laptop screen. The next method that you can use is force restart. To do it, simply press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds and then release it and then press the power button again to restart it. Then, the third method that you can do is remove external devices, unplug USB drives, external mouse or keyboard, SD cards, and then once that's done, check it if the display is working properly or not. Sometimes they interfere with the boot as well. And the next method that you can do is update or roll back display driver. To do it, simply press Windows plus X on your keyboard or right click on the start button here and then select the device manager. Then once you're inside the device manager, what you need to do is select display adapters and then click on the drop down menu and on the display driver right click on it and then click on update driver. Now select the search automatically for drivers, and once done, the Windows will automatically install the updated driver once you restart it. It's recently updated. What you need to do is try rollback driver. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.